believe majority of those errors happened during the course of that tremendous fight back na
Yeah.
pinakawalan ng Signal. And once again, that huge, strong serve itong si April Rosing Pitt proving to be a problem para dito kay Gretchen Ho at Charo Soriano.
Alam mong mahirap pa dito is that since dalawa lang sila and no one's beside the net, ang tendency kasi ng isang volleyball player, pag nag-receive siya, nilalapit niya sa net talaga yung bola.
Para sa second ball,
para
sa
sa second
setter.
ball.
Oo.
So kapag kinakargahan yung service palagi, yun yung parang naturally ginagawa ng isang receiver.
Yung instinct na
Yes,
tinatawag.
oo. Kaya yung magkukuha ng second ball, kaya nahihirapan. Itong Petron, kanina pa sa kanila nangyayari yan.
Instead, ipapasa mo sa mas malapit sa'yo. Oops. And again, problems with their reception. And that gives Hingpit and Wenschu a 3-point lead to open up things here in the second set. 21-16 ang first set score, first set tally. It's 3-0 here in the second set.
Oh, that was supposed to be outside.
Charo Soriano, Gretchen Ho, out of control, 4-0 for Signal. At sabi nga natin, sa ating lahat ng laban dito so far in day 1, lahat yan natapos sa straight sets. Lahat yan natapos sa pagwawalis via sweep. April Rosing Pitt will overcook. Commits that service error, gives Petron his first point dito sa second set. One thing that you also have to get used to dito sa beach volleyball, habang naglalaro, iba ang sounds, Denise. Kanina mo pa binanggit yan.
Pang club ang sounds.
Oh. Techno ba ang tawag? Ano ba tawag dyan?
Oh, hindi ko rin alam, Coach Ron.
Oop, good fake, good misdirection by Wenschu. Kasi nung time namin, techno ang tawag dyan eh. Hindi ito hindi ito.
Okay. Ano ba tawag sa mga disco days?
Hindi, technotronic yung music
okay.
kanina. Hindi ko alam. Tinatanong ko yung anak ko pag narinig yung tgish, tgish, tgish. Tawa ka ng tawa, ha? And again, outsmarting the defense of Petron. Itong Signal showing us cohesion, showing us better movement, and showing us that they are in better shape. 6-1. That was the turn of Petron na magkabul naman dito kasamang Denise.
Let's see if they can do that dahil Signal pa din ang magsaserve dito. And we all know, kanina pa sila nahihirapan sa service ng Signal.
And this service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Wenschu. Quiet and assuming, but extremely effective.
And you know what? What I noticed, kanina pa nila tina-target ito si
Gretchen
Ho. At least 5 out of the 7 points they have, kanina target nila si Gretchen.
This time going to Charo. Gretchen Soriano, or rather Gretchen Ho, trying to set up itong si Charo Soriano. Subalit yung palo ni Charo doon masyadong patusok palayo. Now it's 8-2 para dito sa Signal. Wenschu once again attacking itong si Gretchen Ho. Scramble by Charo.
Good read.
The rallies have become shorter dito, Denise.
Well, it's just because they're not getting the first ball, and that's very important for you to be able to set up a play and eventually get it back on the other side. At dun mag-uumpisa yung rally. Pero kung wala kang first ball, madaling mamamatay ang bola.
Problem sounding Petron XCS. Right now, Hingpit and Wenschu. Talk about stability, talk about composure. Naipakita nila yan. They were under duress, down at 14-9, but they were all able to hold forth and eventually gather enough steam and momentum to upend itong Petron, lalong-lalo na dun sa parting dulo ng ating first set. And in the end, they were able to win that first set 21-16 laban sa hamon ni Charo at ni Gretchen ng Petron. Looking for their first win in this Saturday competition. Ang koponan ng Signal, HD Spikers. Kontra sa Petron XCS. This serve, the Wenschu, is brought to you by Smart. Live. Gretchen Ho, umatake. And this time finally stops the bleeding for Petron.
I think that was a first legit attack from Petron in the second set.
Correct. And this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for happy family. Susubok ang Petron na mas makadikit at mas makalapit. Wenschu gets that ball over. Atake muli para kay Gretchen Ho. Sabi ni April Rosing Pitt, nasa likod, nasa likod. Good communication, and as a result, that turns into a point once again for Signal.
Walang nasasayang na bola dito sa kupunan ng
Sipag
Signal.
eh.
Oo. Kumbaga yung kay Wenshu, that could have been easily a wild ball, a wild free ball
May
na.
tanong ako, Denise. Sa indoor volleyball, anong sumasakit after a game? Likod, bewang, hamstring, ano?
Well, iba
Sa'yo,
sa akin nun, balikat tsaka tuhod.
balikat at tuhod. Pero dito kaya sa beach volleyball, ano?
Buong katawan, I
Diba?
guess.
Yun ang
Yeah,
tanong ko.
dahil dive ka ng dive.
At saka mukhang may gas-gas ka pa sa
Oo.
tuhod mo dyan. That will be way too long for April Rosing Pit. Had the right idea, but could not execute correctly. 9-4, lamang pa rin dito ang Signal. Di ba kasi dito lahat ng muscles mo gagana. Saka you have
Tsaka
to work
dalawa lang
double
kayo,
time. Dalawa
yeah.
lang kayo. Pero shorter naman yung length ng court.
Yes, pero kasi, katulad ng sabi mo kanina, believe ka kay Charo Soriano.
Takbo ng
Takbo
takbo.
ng takbo. I agree, believe ako sa kasipagan niya. But again, wala namang choice eh. Diba?
Tama, tama. Pero kailangan dalawa kayong masipag.
Oh yes. Kaya hindi ako pwede sa beach volleyball.
Sipag ka naman ah.
Pero
Setter
hirap-
ka eh.
Yeah, pero ang dalawa lang kayo. Actually,
Sige,
nakabilib
dito ka, mag-cover ka ng laro. Ayaw mo mainitan. Puti-puti mo. Gretchen Ho. Charo Soriano, hand signal by Charo. Gretchen Ho, attacking April Rosing Pit on her serve. Hingpit going long. Charo Soriano with a nice dig. Charo, sumipat. Bigay ng isang mahaba. Wenschu. Alam mo yung mga may kasamang swerte minsan eh, no?
Oo, yeah. Sayang yung bolang yan because that was well read by Charo Soriano. Hindi katulad kanina na nakadalawa sa kanilang signal. Sa ganong klase na nag-over lang yung bola. Kaya lang miss hit.
Another good question is, saan ba nag-i-ensayo itong mga ating manlalaro, ano?
Yo, maybe we could find that out.
Tanong natin kay Mitch
Mitch.
mamaya, oh.
Kasi ako din, nung tinanong mo, Coach Ronnie, I had no idea kung
Diba?
saan sila
Lalo yung mga taga Baguio.
Oo nga.
Sa Baguio. Di ba?
Coach Ronnie.
Oo.
Sa Baguio.
Sa Baguio. Oo. Pero ito wala tayo sa Baguio. Nandito po sa Mall of Asia Arena. Sa May Sands, by the way, again. Charo Soriano sprinting. Keep that ball alive. Problema ni Gretchen Ho, how to get that ball straight up
Yeah,
para
she's been the
mabuhay
target.
ni Charo Soriano. Time and again, they have identified Gretchen Ho as a weak link defensively. Gretchen Ho trying to remedy that situation, pero di pa rin niya nabuhay yung bola.
Actually, ito yung isang mahirap with beach volleyball kasi in indoor, kapag na-determine nyo kung sino yung medyo mas nahihirapan, may ibang magko-cover.
Pwede mong takpan, di ba?
Oo, dito wala. If you're the target, you're the target.
Charo Soriano. Once again, Gretchen Ho and Charo scrambling. Ang nakikita ko, Denise, na out of position sila sa kanilang
Yes.
coverage. May talk about coverage. Dalawa nga lang, katulad ng binibida mo, hahabulin mo at tatakpan mo lahat. And you only have 3 touches to get that ball across. Charo, Gretchen, umatake na. Charo punching that ball in. This time, Gretchen scrambling. Charo pushing that ball long. Wenschu naman ang hustle play. Oops, masyado malakas yung pitik ng April Rosing Pit. Their 9-point lead slides to 8. Tignan mo yung pagod ng mga players. No? Ramdam na ramdam mo.
Actually, swerte pa nga itong dalawang team na to dahil
Hindi na
wala
mainit.
ning araw.
Oo.
Oo.
At swerte tayo.
Oh, may 10 tayo.
Oo. Kanina, para kay Tex at kay James, solid sa pool na sa
Yeah.
pool. Charo Soriano for Petron. That will be an infraction laban dito kay April Rosing Pit. And I believe that if Petron is to survive this match, they have to make their move now.
Yeah. Oo, dahil masyado na malaki to, 7 points.
Masyadong malayo. Signal 14, Petron 7.
Welcome back to PLDT Home Ultera Philippine Superliga Beach Volleyball Challenge Cup 2015. Powered by Smart, Live More. Kasama ko naman ngayon ang Signal HD Spikers Team A na si Cha Cruz. Hi, Cha.
Hello, good afternoon.
Kamusta naman yung experience mo pagkatapos yung maglaro kayo na? First game na yun.
Syempre marami kaming na-realize kasi marami kaming nakamit na error. So, we know kung ano yung dapat namin i-adjust sa training before our game next Saturday.
Ngayon naman, ano sa tingin mo yung magiging ending, mga adjustments na kailangan yung gawin for the other matches to come?
First of all, I think we need communication sa loob kasi actually I left for Hong Kong for 2 days. So I wasn't able to train for 2 days. So pagbalik ko, game agad. Pero syempre, no excuses. Pero ayun, so I think kailangan pa namin ng communication. Kasi kanina parang hindi kami nag-uusap sa loob eh. So I think after that, I think good thing na we still have 1 week to go.
Maraming salamat siya. Balik sa inyo, Coach Ronnie and Denise.
Shopping si Cha Cruz sa Hong
Oo
Kong.
nga, nakakaingit naman si Cha.
Oo, pero hindi siya naka-ensayo. Pero next
Yun
week,
lang.
nako, babayo yan. That was a very impressive attack point scored earlier by Wen's Chu. Still a commanding lead para dito sa Signal. 6-point advantage for Signal at 15-9. Nagtatangka rito sila Gretchen Ho at Charo Soriano na makadikit. Gretchen Ho serving for Petron. Forward, sabi ni April Rosing Pitt for Wentz. And that is the right call. That's the setter's call, the playmaker's call para sa kanyang kasama.
Again, kanina pa natin sinasabi, it's very important na yung second ball pa-forward para hindi makontra yung motion ng spiker.
This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Makita mo yung anggulong kinuha ron ni Wenzhou, talagang hindi mo mariretrieve yung bola. 69 for Signal. Bumawi dito si Charo Soriano. Nakita mo, naglagay ng pectus upang mahulog yung bola away from the defense. Parang hirap makarecover pag hiningal ka.
Yeah.
Charo for Petron. To make that service error.
Sayang. I was about to say that was a good serve kasi ang ganda ng flight ng bola.
Saka across, no? Ani cross court.
Yeah.
This is a race to 21 and so far, pagkatapos ng ating unang set na nanakaw ng Signal at 21-16, ito sa second set, it's a commanding 7-point lead. Make that a commanding 8-point lead for Hingpit and Wenzhou. 18-10, second set. Looking good. Itong Signal HD Spikers, Signal Team B. Dahil yung tama, Signal Team B,
Yes.
no?
No, Signal Team B.
Signal
Dahil Signal
Team
Team A, yung kay Cha Cruz and kay Mick Laborte.
This Ultra Fan family of the game is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. At kayo dyan, samahan niyo po kami sa susunod na Sabado dito po sa Mall of Asia. Malapit lang ito sa may Daay, malapit sa Sunset Drive. Maganda po ang parking.
Madami.
Madami, malaki. And this point will go to Petron's way. 11 points for Petron, 18 para dito sa Signal. Gretchen Ho for Petron XCS. Not a good reception para dito kay Chu, but still the ball is live. Attacking once again Gretchen Ho. And Chu once again, this time going deep. Charo attacking. Good dig by Hingpit. Calling out this ball. Oh, once again. Communication leading that last point para dito sa Signal.
At saka ang ganda ng target doon ni Hingpit because she knew yung kaharap niya was Gretchen Ho, which was near her. So, syempre, papupuntahin niya kay Chara dahil malayo yung abang ni Chara sa bola.
Hindi natin nakikita, Denise, yung mga nagbablock, ano? Hirap kasi
Ah,
makarating
yeah.
doon eh, di ba? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Pero normally kasama yun.
Meron,
Talagang may
oo.
nag-block. Tapos mag-uusap lang kung ano yung bibitawan na area.
Correct. Kasi pag nanonood ako sa TV ng international competition,
Yeah, especially
nakikita
yung
ko yan eh.
men's competition.
Alam mo naman ang ating mga top teams in the world, ang Brazil at ang Canada. At hopefully, alam naman natin sila Jovelyn Gonzaga, ang ating mga reps dito sa beach volleyball sa Southeast Asian Games. We can build a pool of talent that will compete not only sa indoor volleyball, but likewise sa beach volleyball. Pero depende kasi sa host country yan. Denise, kung sinasali yung sport na yun eh.
Yes.
Pero sa 2019, tayo na mag-host ng Southeast Asian Games.
Oh.
Charo Soriano. Hoping that they can erase the 6-point deficit.
Well, they can't do that with a service error.
Instead, they will be giving up 7 set points, equivalent to 7 match points. April Rosing Pitt looking to bring down the final challenge of Petron. Good reception by Gretchen Ho. Ho punches that ball in. Wenzhou, sabi ni April Rosing Pitt, lapit, lapit. And once again, that lapit, lapit call. Getting them that important point, the point that closes out this set and this match. And Signal sweeps the challenge of Petron kasamang Denise in 2 straight sets.
Well, Signal, wala silang kahirap-hirap because as we all know, pag pupunta ka sa isang laban, you have to determine not just the strength, but also the weakness of your opponent. At nakita nila yan, nung tinarget nila na sunod-sunod si Gretchen Ho sa mga service, April Rose Hingpit, and even Wench Chu were very effective from the service line, pati yung mga atake nila from the net, long ball or short ball, lahat pinapasok nila.
It was very, very tight in the first set. Petron even had an advantage. This best save is brought to you by Petron, fuel for revenue. But eventually, Chu and of course April Rose Hingpit had enough resolve to be able to come back and win that first set. This best save is brought to you by Petron, fuel for revenue.